we've got our Fruit for Thought specialty theme box. So if you want to see what's inside this special box, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit is hanging out with my mom because she's cooking. So if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is a special theme box. You're going to guess the theme by the paper there. That's right. It is a pumpkin theme. So they do occasionally offer like a specialty box. So it's not part of your regular subscription. It is more expensive, but you are going to get twice the items. And whenever it's pumpkin themed, you know I am on board.
And so am I.
And wait. The sneak peek. This looks amazing.
Yeah, it does.
What do we got? We have some pumpkin spice and white chocolate biscotti.
Oh, I love biscotti.
Yum.
It's amazing with coffee.
And that is by Northwest Biscotti.
What is this? It's a, ooh, toffee.
Ooh, all right. So by Tasty Good, we have some pumpkin spice toffee. That's got to be checked out immediately. The whole reason that Chloe will do this with me is because she gets taste tests.
Ooh, you gotta save me the biscotti though.
Yeah, we'll each have a piece of biscotti.
Oh, I thought you didn't like biscotti.
I love biscotti.
Oh, I like it with coffee a lot too.
Yeah, that's how you have to have it. You don't get any coffee. So there is how the pieces look. Oh, that's yummy. Just use another snack.
Yeah, pumpkin spice snack mix. What is that?
I don't know. Captain Crazy's pumpkin spice snack mix. And it doesn't say what is in here.
Maybe on the back?
Maybe it's like a malted milk ball.
Okay. Pumpkin crazy spice pecans, raw pecans, brown sugar, cane sugar, molasses, blah, blah, pretzels, corn, pumpkin spice malt balls.
That's what it is. It's a malt ball.
Yeah. What's a malt ball?
It's like a Whoppers.
Oh. Those are pretty big for a Whopper.
That's why I thought they were like a caramel one.
I thought it was like some weird like creamy stuff.
So you've got
Pretzels.
And candy corn.
I thought it was actual corn. Ooh, I'm looking for it. Pecan.
The pecan. Don't mind us with our snack.
Pecan. No, give me a pecan. There you go. Ooh.
Do you want to take a bite and give me the other half?
Sure.
All right, she's going to try the big ball.
No.
All right, next we have this hat.
What does it say?
Spice Girl. And it's in the color pumpkin.
Nice.
Do you know what it means, the pumpkin Spice Girl? All right, next we have a candle. No Ennui, Hello Pumpkin, Harvest Blend Soy Candle. Oh my goodness, look at that. How cute. It's got those little pods there. Oh, I can smell it from here. Isn't that good? I am concerned about those catching on fire though.
No, flowers are pretty.
All right, we have this little gift box.
Ooh.
Oh, it's got black tea leaves and pumpkin vanilla flavor. So we have some tea in here. Oh, here we go. Teas for the holidays. Pumpkin latte, classic flavored black tea.
They made it a chai. Wait, what kind of black tea is it?
It just says black tea leaves.
Oh.
And look at the little detail on the little ribbon. There's this little...
I like chai tea, but like especially at places like Dunkin' and especially like the flavored chai teas can be way too sweet. I mean, oh my god, did I just say chai tea? Oh my god, I'm so stupid.
Yeah,
I just meant to say chai. But yeah, like the chai they have there, it's way too sweet, especially the flavored chai.
All right, so there's several bags in here. Plenty of bags of tea.
Oh, cool. Ooh, I want to smell.
I smell only a little bit. Big bag.
Oh, I was just looking at the slipper. What size is it?
We have some Jordan Skinny Mixes pumpkin spice.
How big is it? Oh.
Too small for your big feet.
Look at how small that is.
It fit my feet. Look at how big her feet are.
They're size 9s. It's not that bad. Ooh, pumpkin charm.
These are...
Look at this little charm. Look at the...
I know, that was on the tea.
Okay.
These look super cozy and super
Yeah,
comfy.
I bet they do.
Yeah, I might have picked my own size for once in my life. You have those smiley face ones that you never wear.
I know, I'm joking.
Okay. All right, that's why I picked my size. Does it say who these are by?
No.
It doesn't say who these are by, but they're so super cute. Because I would have let you guys know in case you wanted to try to order some, but I don't see a name as to where they're from, so super cute though. All right, that is our pumpkin spice box. So please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It's totally free, but it means so much to us here. Leave a comment down below. What was your favorite item in the box? And hopefully we'll see you soon.